My name is Damien. I was born in Poland, but I live in Ireland and work here at the Sennheiser factory in Tullamore. I'm working about 4 years in Sennheiser. This is where we build all our audiophile headphones. At the moment, I am the only person in the world making a HG1, the best headphone in the world. More than 3,500 pieces goes into making one HG1. The housing is made of the one solid piece of Carrara marble, which has been cut to make room for the amplifier system and the headphones. It must be perfect, every time. I know the name of every new customer and we keep track of every HG1 owners since we started making these headphones in 2016. From the moment I start making new HG1, it takes me 2 weeks to finish. I build it all by my hand, that's why it takes so much time. I love the handmade approach of making these headphones. It feels like I am making art. Something beautiful. I am really proud. It's another success for myself that I make something amazing.